Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Jaguar XE, and we're going to go over how you would replace your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter on this vehicle is located behind the glove box. And so to gain access to it, we need to actually remove the glove box to get there. So to start with, there is two covers you need to pop off. There's one right here on the bottom that has three push tabs, push pins in, and then we can pull that out and to remove that off the side. There are three number T30 bolts to remove on the bottom, one on this side, one in the middle, and one on the other side. And then over here we need to pop this cover off. And to pop this cover off, it works really easy if you just pull your molding out a teeny bit to pull it to the side, because it's going to catch on that when you remove that. Right? Then we pop this cover and we're able to pull this off, and we have a T30 that's bolted right here, and we have a T30 that's right here holding that in. And so we have to remove those two. And then you would open up the glove box, and inside in the back of the glove box we have a T30 here and a T30 up here, as well as three T30s right here along the bottom edge. And so once you've removed all of those, you'll be able to drop the glove box down and be able to remove it. Okay. So with all the T30s removed, now what you need to do is you take this and you press it in. And there's a little tab here. We press it in, and then we were able to drop the glove box down. And move it out. Now this light will be mounted in here, and so you'll want to twist that out and remove it. And then you'll be able to drop the whole glove box down on the ground and have it sitting right there. And so with the glove box removed, we have this cover right here that we need to pop the clips on both sides, and then you just kind of press the other cover up and be able to grab these little tabs here and pull the tray out that is holding the cabin air filter. And so then what we're going to do is we're going to just pop this old cabin air filter out and be able to replace it with the new one in that tray. And so we have our new cabin air filter, and you're gonna just slip it into the tray and then be able to press that little cover back up. And we line that up and throw that and slide that in. And now that's slid in, we'll take our cover here and clip that and lock that into place. And now we'll be able to put the glove box back in. We'll want to put the light for the glove box into the location. Install, twist 90 degree. Well, not really, just a 45. Lock it in, and then be able to raise that up. Over here you'll see we got to push this tab in, line this up, and then that will hold it into place with this little tab as you put the rest of the T30 bolts back in to reinstall your glove box. So you work your way around the 5 inside, the 3 on the bottom, the 2 over here, and that would be how you replace your cabin air filter on your 2016 Jaguar XE. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.